Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Limited. 2010 Subaru Legacy luxury, performance, and reliability in every mile. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Feast your eyes on the 2010 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Limited. Powered by a 2.5L H4170 HP engine, this beauty is ready to zoom. Enjoy heated front seats and luxurious ivory leather interior that feels like sitting on a cloud. The exterior shines in harvest gold metallic, and with under 78,000 miles, it's barely broken and averaging less than 6,000 miles per year. Plus, get 23 mpg city and 31 mpg highway. This one-owner car comes with a clean Carfax, pampered and in excellent condition. Ready for a test drive? Your wallet will thank you. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.